Has the Milky Way already merged with another galaxy? At first glance, the Milky Way appears calm, a beautiful spiral galaxy quietly floating through space. But behind this serene appearance lies a history of cosmic violence. The galaxy we call home has already collided with others in the distant past. One of the most significant mergers happened billions of years ago, with a smaller galaxy known as Gaia-Enceladus. It wasn't a dramatic crash, but a gradual takeover, where stars from the intruding galaxy were stretched, disrupted, and absorbed into the Milky Way's halo. These ancient stars still drift among us today. We know this thanks to the Gaia spacecraft, which mapped the position and movement of over 1 billion stars. Astronomers discovered a strange population of stars moving in elongated orbits, remnants of that lost galaxy. The unique structure they form is now called the Gaia sausage because of its extended sausage-like shape in space. It's one of the clearest signs that the Milky Way has a cannibalistic past. And the process hasn't stopped. Right now, our galaxy is tearing apart the Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy, pulling it in with powerful gravity. Piece by piece, the smaller galaxy is being shredded and consumed. The Milky Way grows larger by devouring its neighbors, a process that's quiet, slow, but inevitable. Our galaxy is alive, not static. It evolves through chaos. But the most dramatic collision is yet to come. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way is set to merge with the Andromeda Galaxy, another spiral giant. They are currently on a collision course, slowly spiraling toward each other through space. When they meet, stars will be scattered, gas clouds will collide, and a new, enormous galaxy will form. One astronomers call Milky Way. It will completely reshape the night sky. So yes, the Milky Way has already merged with another galaxy. In fact, it's merging right now. And it will merge again. Every star you see in the night sky might be part of that grand cosmic story. Our galaxy is not a still painting in the sky. It's a dynamic, ever-changing structure shaped by ancient destruction and future rebirth. When you look up, you're not just seeing stars, you're witnessing echoes of galactic collisions and previews of even greater ones to come.